Hello, today I'm coming to you with 20. Hold up, wait a minute, 1 second. Before I go any further, I want to say I know there is a billion YouTube channels with work from home opportunities, passive income opportunities, but when you come to my channel, I give you the legit, brand new opportunities, work from home, making money online. I give you the gist of all that I have, and I put these 20 ways of how to make money online for you today. That's the difference between my channel. So we're going to start off with number one. Number one is Sussman Automatic Corp in Long Island City, Queens. This is a temp remote, temporarily remote, $26 an hour. How does that sound? Sounds good. As I said, 20 ways of how to make money online from home. When you come to my channel, that's what I'm going to give you. Ways of how to make money. Passive income. Survey sites. If that's something you're looking for today or in the future, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell notification so when I do my future videos, you will be the first one to check out the upcoming video. Starting off with number two is called ZR Funding, New York, Temp Remote as well. Sales rep, $50,000 to $200,000 a year. $200,000 a year. Three is called St. Louis Holdings. Customer service, $9 to $15 an hour. Four is called Joliet in Illinois. Data entry, work from home, Colonial life insurance, appointment setter, $100,000 a year. Five is called Avail New York City. Client advocate, part-time positions are available as we speak, $21 to $28 an hour. Six is called independent travel, $60,000 a year. $60,000 a year. Seven, we're up to number seven. It's called Sitel, and this is Sitel and All USA. Sitel and All USA, Alabama. Customer service, $12 to $15 an hour. $12 to $15 an hour. All positions are available as we speak. All positions are available for you as we speak. Number eight is called NAGA Agency, Hempstead, New York. Customer relations, $34,000 to $64,000 a year. Nine is called Telvista Tulsa, Oklahoma, a call center and collections. Call center, you're going to be working from home in collections. You're going to be doing collection. $13.50 to $15 an hour. We're already up to number 10. 2G Exteriors. Sales associate, $20,000 a year. 11 is called Scholerman Group Inside Sales Associate, $500 a week. So that's roughly $2,000 a month. 12 is called Pass Scheduling Clerk, $550 to $750 a week. $550 to $750 a week. 13 is called NAVIENT, work from home, $16 an hour. All positions are available. Part-time, full-time, seasonal, temp, whatever you're looking for, they have all positions available for you today. 14 is called Media Stratics in Nevada, a remote outbound call center agent. $9.25 an hour, and they will train you for the position. Yes, they will train you for the position. 5 is called Home Shopping Network. I know you're familiar with this. They're looking for full-time work-at-home customer service reps, and the second shift is available. $14 an hour. 16 is called SPH Analytics. Work from home agent, $11.50 to $14.50 an hour. 17 is called Beyond Standard Solutions. Customer service, $9 to $15 an hour. $9 to $15 an hour. 18 is called Oxford Pierpont in Atlanta, Georgia. Virtual work from home customer service rep, $9 to $16 an hour. 19 is called Luce Research. Luce Research, a telephone interviewer, $11 an hour. 20 is called Dream Business in New York City. Work from home telemarketer, professional work from home telemarketer, $25 an hour. If you find any of these interesting, don't hesitate to click on any link you find interesting today and start the process as far as trying to get that job. So what you do, this is what you do. You click on the link. They'll tell you how to fill out the application. And if it's in your area, like Atlanta, Georgia, or Nevada, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and they're virtual in your state, click on the link and they'll tell you what you need. A lot, like 90% of them, they will train you for the position. 90% will train you, and the other, you don't need any experience. Any experience. So with that being said, I want to say thank you so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes. And to my loyal subscribers, I want to give a heartfelt thank you as well for hanging out with me and staying with me through my videos and seeing what I got to talk about, seeing what I have available. Because as I said earlier in the video, I know there are a bunch of YouTube channels, work from home opportunities and stuff like that. But when you come to my channel, I have the real deal, legit work from home jobs, and I keep it real with you. I don't pull any punches. I keep it real with you, and I give you what information that I find and I check out before I even put the link on my page. That's the difference between me. So with that being said, I want to say thank you again. I appreciate you, and I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye for now.